Hi everyone, my name is John Jardin and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to set up an EchoBot test for the bot framework. By doing this, we confirm that our development environment is ready to go for bot framework development. Now there are two prerequisites in order to follow along with this video. And the first is that you need to have Node.js and npm installed and running on your operating system. And as part of the Agility Dev Environment series, there are videos for macOS and Windows to go and set up your Node.js environment. I highly recommend watching these videos as I use Node Version Manager and I show you how to install multiple versions of Node.js. The other prerequisite is the other video as part of the series, which is the bot framework emulator. This is where we essentially went and installed and set up our environment for bot framework development, and we also set up the emulator. During that video we didn't really test or do anything, and that's what this video is for. So we're going to use these two prerequisites and we are going to go and set up an EchoBot test so that we can confirm our environment is ready to go for bot framework development. So here I have High Sierra running as in my VM, and I've got the emulator open behind in the background, and I also have terminal open. So we're pretty much just going to be working in these two environments for now. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install two global modules for two node modules called the one is Yeoman and the other one is a generator for bot builder. So we do this npm install globally -g, and the first one is which is Yeoman, and the second one is generator-botbuilder. Okay, so this is going to install these two modules globally. And welcome back. So the two modules have been successfully installed. And the second thing we're going to do now is I want to navigate to a folder where I can go and set up our EchoBot test. And if based on the previous videos, we've had a folder in documents called source tree. This is where we've been putting our sample projects and our source code. So I'm just going to say cd to source tree over here, and this is where we're going to create our EchoBot test as well. Alright, so the next steps now is we can just run yo, and we can say bot builder. Right, so this is Yeoman and it's using the generator bot builder, and these two together now are going to actually set up an application for us. And what we're going to do is we're just going to accept all the defaults. Right, so the name of bot, we can just call it my chatbot. That's fine, just hit enter. What will your bot do? That's fine. We're going to be using JavaScript. Yes, it's an EchoBot. And shall I go ahead and create? Yes, you may. So we just followed all the defaults over there. Great, so our EchoBot is ready to go. So what we can do now is we can just go into that my chatbot directory, and all we're going to do is we're going to run npm start. So it says over here to talk to your bot, open the bot file in this bot file in the emulator. So let's go to our emulator and we're going to say open bot, and we're just going to navigate to source tree to my chatbot, and we can see there is a .bot file. We'll just click on that, and it contains all the necessary configurations in order to interact with our EchoBot that we just created. So if I say choose file here, here's our chat window, and if I'm not mistaken, I can just start chatting to this bot, and all it's going to do is whatever I send as a message, it's going to reply with that same message. So if I say hello, you said hello. How are you? You said how are you? So what this does is this confirms that our local environment is ready to go for bot development. Now, just as a last note, we used Yeoman and this bot builder generator in order to set up our EchoBot. But again, this was just to prove that our environment is ready to go for bot development. What I would do, if you're going to follow along with the bot framework series on Agility's YouTube channel, we won't actually be using these generators, nor will we be using Yeoman. So if you want, you can actually go and uninstall these two. And there we go, a clean environment. So that's it for this video. A little bit different to our previous videos. We didn't actually install anything per se. Whatever we installed, we actually ended up removing. But like I said, the only reason for this video was to ensure that our environment is ready to go for bot framework development. So thanks everyone for watching, and until next time, cheers.